the first thing you will need is your paddle brush to brush it and smoothen it. Then the next thing is your rat tail comb, this one mat comb here. So it's also for patting it and also for smoothing it. Then the next thing, I'll be using my leave-in conditioner. I'm using Hawaiian Silky and then water. Yeah, you need it damp, and then of course your rollers. The first step is for you to section out your hair. You take out a little portion, about 2 to 3 lines, that you start rolling. So you section the hair, you separate the part you'll be working on, then you secure the other part with a rubber band, as I've done here. Then you can brush out, or if it's brushed already, you use your rat tail comb to smoothen out. Then you spray. After spraying your water, I'm going to smoothen it out with a rat tail comb so that it will be damp and smooth enough for you to work on. So the next thing you'll be doing is to apply your leave-in conditioner. So you can either spray on the hair directly, or you spray your palm, you rub together, and then you apply on the hair, as I'm doing here. You smoothen it out with your comb again, and then you section out the portion you'll be working on or working with. Make sure it's very wet or damp. If it's not as wet as you want it to, then you can spray water again. So you roll it up, as I'm doing here. Roll it up on the rollers. Mind you, I'm not rolling it down, I'm rolling it up, and then you secure with the cover or the other layer, whatever. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to repeat the same thing to this or with this right now. Just watch. So what I'm doing, you roll up, make sure it's smooth and tight, and then you secure with the basket. Just continue doing the same thing to the other parts of the hair. So simple, very simple. Yeah, just watch closely. Repeat same step for the other parts.
Give me more. My coconut, that's my baby. My coconut, there goes my baby. We two connect, that's my baby. My full current, there goes my baby. My coconut, that's my baby. My coconut, there goes my baby. You two correct, that's my baby. My full current, there goes my baby. Yeah, well, bust my sense in my. Okay, catching like a you bless me now. Who can no go fit to ever miss dinner? Come and be looking at my Benzema. Boy, if I'm wild, you go maintain beauty and brains. Today be the day, may feature your pains. Be those celebrations, pop champagne. Only you go fit the space in my heart, no remains. When I look at you, I know there is something about you.
So see how far I've gone. I've done the first and second layer. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is the front. I'm going to be working on the front. That's the last section I'll be working on. So for this front, I need to create a C-cut because of the style I want to achieve. So I'll have to pat it. You see, it's a middle pattern, so I'll just pat it. Yeah, so this is my C-cut. I've patted it and I just spray water so that the pat line will be very visible and it will lay flat like that. So yeah, repeat same process for this other part. You comb with your brush, your paddle brush, you spray your water, and then you smoothen it with your rat tail comb. Apply your leave-in conditioner and start rolling. That's how we roll.
We go. Give me more. My coconut, that's my baby. My coconut, there goes my baby. We two connect, that's my baby. My full current, there goes my baby. My coconut, that's my baby. My coconut, there goes my baby. You two correct, that's my baby. My full current, there goes my baby.
So yeah, I'm done with the other section of the hair and even the front part. See what we did at the front. I just needed something like a flip up or be a bounce at the front, so I just had to the part I cut out, I just roll it up. Don't worry, you see the finished look. So yes, I'm just going to leave it to dry for like 3 to 4 days depending on the weather condition, then I will unravel. Okay, so I unraveled it on the day 2, reason being that my customer, she said she just needed to see if the hair will coil or not because it's a blend hair. I was telling her that the hair can coil, so she needed a confirmation, so I don't have that pretty much time to leave it to dry. She just wanted to see it, yeah, and that actually affected the end result. I mean the end because it was not really as bouncy as I wanted or as I expected, but anyway, we move. So yes, that bounce we created at the front, the flip, I mean the bands, whatever. See it. So this is the finished look of our wig. Yeah, so this is me rocking a wig, but unfortunately I had already combed out the coils before I did this video, so sorry about that, but you still see the front, it's still intact. I did not touch it. I love it. So yeah, do well to subscribe, like, comment, share. Please subscribe for more amazing tutorials that are coming up, that are gonna be loaded, I promise you.